Hi, I'm Isaac Bisbee. I'm at Aurora Middle School, and I'm going to teach you how to do hands-on equations. Okay, so in order to do these, you need to know what these are. So this is x, because that's the entire thing what we're trying to figure out what x is. And this is the opposite of x. Then we have, these are normal numbers. So this is positive, and these are negative. Okay, so our first problem we're going to do is we're going to do negative 15 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 5. And there's an imaginary wall here. So there's a balance, and we can only add the same thing to both sides or subtract the same thing to both sides. So, saying that, we can add 3 blue pawns, or 3x, to this side, and then we have to do that to this side. And now you can make a pair of 0, because these are opposites. Now, and since we have the x right here, we have to make this guy stand alone. So we can add positive 15 to both sides. So if you add 15 to this side using these numbers, you make a pair of 0, and that you take them out. Then you have to add 15 to this side. And 15 plus 5 is 20. So we'll make 20. And now we have 4x equals 20. Now we have to divide this by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1x is the same thing as x. So when we divide this by 4, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So x equals 5. Okay, so our next problem we're going to do is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So what we have here is our problem. And so what we can do is, remember there's a wall here. We can't break the balance, but we can add the same thing to both sides. So I'm going to add 3 blues to each side. And we're all out of blue pawns, but that's okay, because when we make these into pairs of 0, we can add this blue pawn back over here because it's the same. And now we have 5 blue pawns. So 5 plus x equals 5x plus negative 3. So now what we can do is we can add a white to each side and make pairs of 0. And then now we want to get rid of the 3 because we want to have this, the number by itself, which we've gotten, and we have to have x by itself. So we take this plus positive 3 to both sides. And this makes a pair of 0. And this makes 8. So 8 equals 4x. Now we have to divide. So 4x divided by 4 is 1x, or x, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So x equals 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.